Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add Payoneer payments to Shopify. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, we are looking at Shopify store right now, and we all know what Shopify is. And if someone don't know about this, so this is all about e-commerce platform for creating online stores, and it has very user-friendly interface as you can see, customizable. Templates are also here and payment processing. So right now we are going to integrate Payoneer. So we will talk about what is Payoneer, but first of all, what you're going to do, you're just going to click on settings and come back to your payments. Obviously, we are going to talk about payments, and Payoneer is also a payment platform. So if I open up a new platform and search for Payoneer, so what happens that you will end up over here. So this is the main page, as you can see, and you can easily create your account from over here. Just click on register, and after that just select the field like you're a freelancer or online professional, whatever you are doing. Right now I'm going with this one, and it has something like the total amount of monthly international payments I receive is this. So you can go ahead and select them all, and you can see there are a lot of people are using this is the global money transfer platform, and obviously it has cross-border payments also available. So right now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna integrate your Shopify and Payoneer. How? Just click on payment and you will see that you will have four options over here. But the main option which I mostly use is this one, add payments, because it is like, hybrid for both all of this in my opinion. So what you're gonna do, just click on add payment, and we have two options over here. Search by payment method, search by provider. So Payoneer is a provider and method is like Masterclass or Visa or different like Apple Pay. So you get the idea, right? So if we go at provider and search for Payoneer right now, you will see the option over here, and you can see whole method are also available over here: Visa, Mastercard, American Express, and JCB. So and obviously you will see the transaction fees also, but here you can see we have 0%. So this is very good in my opinion. Once you click on this, it will open up like something this that about point you check out like what is going to happen and is it secure or not. So all that information are available over here. And what you're going to do now, just click on connect. Once you click on connect, it will pop up a new window, and you will see this screen where you are going to install app from Shopify store. So there's nothing more serious over here. Just click on install app, and what it will ask you to obviously open your Pioneer account. So in my opinion, once you click on manage over here, it would take you right over here in this home page on Pioneer as well. It will ask you to create your account, and after that you can easily connect that from over here. But I want to show you that if you are going to create your Pioneer account, just remember Pioneer always provides a personal account. So, in my opinion, if you are going to integrate your Shopify account with your Pioneer, make sure to ask and request Pioneer that we need a business account. Why? Let me show you. So, this is my account, and I just recently signed in. And once you click on Get Paid, you will end up over here. So, whatever you have accounts from different country, you will see in this receiving accounts. Once you click on that, it will pop up something like this. So I have two accounts over here, and both of them are named from my name, right? So in my opinion, once you create your account on this, just come over here, click on request account, click on next, and ask, obviously select your country. I'm gonna go with this, and next, and ask for business account. Business account will not have any restriction rather than using your personal account. There are some countries which do not allow to transfer, and sometimes it can be a bigger problem in transactions also. So I would prefer go ahead and click on this so you can get your business account. And after that, just obviously simply just go back to your, over here, just click on connect, and it will be connected to your Pioneer checkout. So that's it. This is all you need to know how you can connect and add Pioneer payment checkout to, your Shopify store. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.